Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers. I've got American multi-cylinder sent to me by Subsonic 1050. It's locked up, as you can see. On there and there. It's quite a bit of a tricky lock, this one. It's got a mind of its own. There, I've got a fault set. Another fault set. I was on my tension wrench then. There, that pin's set. There you go. It's picked open, as you can see. I'd love to gut these locks, but I make a mess and I've not got a pinning tray. Once I get a pinning tray, I'll start gutting the locks because I don't want to make a mess. Long the video out as well. Thank you very much.